guys, new episode, don't know what to call it, blah blah blah. So, my mate here, Harvey, he wanted to do a video, so here's one. Talk to YouTubers, Harvey.
Okay, we're gonna play Watch Dogs. No.
Just Watch Dogs.
Watch Dogs Skylanders.
No, just Watch Dogs, because
okay.
I only can do 10-minute videos, then we'll do a bit of Skylanders.
Then in the next video, we'll do Skylanders. Let's go. Wait, 1 minute, I need to set it up first.
You hold the camera for a minute and I'll go get some more Doritos.
Yummy Doritos.
Doritos.
Mum invites him. Never mind. Doritos and chips. Hurry up, Joe. I've only just got to the thingy. Okay guys, just send it up, yeah? Send it up. It's my bedroom. Yes, I've got a nice sort of bedroom there. There we go. It's gonna load now, so I'm just spawning. If we don't get the mission done, we will do another video. I'm gonna have some Doritos. Doritos and chips. Smell like
That's all there was left.
Oh, sick. Some more. Guys, there
Doritos and chips.
are Doritos that we get.
Doritos.
Go on the camera, I'm gonna do the mission first. If we don't get it done, we will. Fucking form. Some motherfuckers free roaming. Die. I've got a spike now, Joe.
I have it.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Send a murder, emergency. Hey, off.
I think I've lost a caller. 911, state your emergency, please. Oh, what are you doing? Hello, are you still there? Hello? 911, what's your emergency? Listen, there's somebody shooting. You gotta get out of here. All units, be advised. Quiet for here. Secure scan for suspect.
Oh crap! What are my jam cones? I want that car, please. Give me the car. Stop! No, don't go.
Hold the camera. I've got tactic.
Now it's Joe playing the game. Please blocking. Can we pull over?
Move it a bit more back. tell me when it's gone to 10 minutes.
Get in the police car now, no, get in. Go, don't get.
I'm better at you playing this. Come on.
Spikers. Oh, I went on a moped on the rail line, Joe. It was sick. You just smashed a window through.
This is actually my mate Harvey's house. You know I've got watchdogs. Maybe. Just going to get a drink, so I'm going to have to bring you with me for some reason. Harvey? No, but I've got to go get a drink.
Oh, God. You ready to come off now?
I want a YouTube video.
Is that your drink? Is that Harvey's?
I guess. I'm doing a YouTube video. Sorry about that, guys. Away, lady. And YouTube lady. Well, Harvey's got himself into more trouble, hasn't he? Right. We've only got 2 minutes left.
Yes.
Set the train off.
Go. Yes, we can do it. Go.
Hold that sec.
We're just playing the game. By the way, guys, the game swears, if you want to know. Done it, Joe? Thoughtfully, we like swearing games.
We like them a lot.
A load. We play like COD Black Ops and stuff. I played Sleeping Dogs where there's, and we may do.
Look, they look like they're sleeping.
I know. If we've got time, guys, we will play Sleeping Dogs, won't we, Joe? If we've got time.
I'm gonna have to end that video there because that was just a tactic to escaping the cops, I guess. So, bye.
Bye.